My friends, my name is Shafiq. So let's start learning programming. So let's make a program which will add two numbers. So let me write the program first and then I'll explain everything. A is equal to 20, B is equal to 30, C is equal to A plus B, and then print C. So my friend, this is the program which will basically add two numbers 20 and 30. But first we need to discuss that what is a program. So program is a set of instructions. But this set of instructions or these instructions are only for the computers, not for human beings. And when the computer follow all these instructions, it will solve a problem. So the problem is add two numbers. Before discussing each and every instruction, we need to understand a few things. Here we have operators. What are operators? So operators are basically the things which work on something. For example, computer operator, the person who works on the computer, crane operator, telephone operator. So same, we have operators here in programming. So the first one is the assignment operator. And which one is the assignment operator? Assignment operator is this equal sign. So what does that assignment operator means? Assignment operator will basically give instruction to the computer that assign a value to something. So if you look at this instruction here, we are using this assignment operator and we are asking the computer that Mr. Computer assign 20 to A. So what computer will do? It will assign 20 to A. The next instruction is, again we are using the assignment operator. So this instruction means that Mr. Computer assign 30 to B. We have second type of operators and they are called mathematical operators. Mathematical operators are the operators which will do the mathematical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. If you look at this instruction, so here I'm asking that Mr. Computer add the value of A and B. Why it will add the value of A and B? Because I'm using the mathematical operator here. I'm giving him instruction. So what it will do, it will pick up the value of A, which is 20. Then it will pick up the value of B, which is 30. And then it will add them. Why add them? Because I am asking him to add. I'm using the mathematical operator addition. It will add it and it will get the result 50. So now what he's going to do with the result of 50, again, see, I'm here using the assignment operator. Assignment operator means assign the value to C. So it will solve this problem. It will add the values. It will get the result, and whatever the result is, it will assign it to C. So now 50 will be assigned to C. And on the last instruction, I'm asking him print C. So my friends, print means I'm asking the computer that whatever the value of C is, print that value on the screen. So what it will do, it will print 50 on the screen because we want to see the result. If you look at this code again, please. So this code, this is the program which is basically the set of instructions. So the first instruction, the second instruction, the third instruction and the fourth instruction. So what computer will do, it will follow all the instructions and then it will give the result 50 on the screen.